Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I'm participating in the Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday, hosted by me, myself, and DIYing it, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, and Cynthia She's So Blessed. These 5 ladies have asked us to create a tablescape that is completely decorated with paper and plastic. That's it. The only thing that you can use outside of paper and plastic is silk floral. So you can do fake floral, you can do real floral, but that was the only thing that they were allowing us to use that was not paper or plastic. So what you'll see me doing at the beginning of the table, I have these, I have a book of different papers for scrapbooking, and I used 2 of the pages that were the same. And then I placed my placemats that everyone loves on the table. Those are actually vinyl, so they are a form of plastic, so I could use those. I added my branches to the table, to the centerpiece. Those are actually plastic branches as well. The one on my wall is a real branch, but the decorative ones are plastic. And then I added a pot to the centerpiece as well. That pot is plastic. I added paper in as stuffing just to make sure that the floral held up. I did use some silk fake floral, but the berries that I used are actually styrofoam, so another form of plastic. I used a banner that is paper floral, sort of. My chargers are plastic, even though they're silver, but they're plastic. I added paper plates and plastic plates on top of those. My flatware, and surprisingly, the napkin rings are also plastic. The frames that I've added to the table that the flatware is sitting on top of, those frames are actually plastic. Now they do have a glass front on them, but the actual frame, the silver part of it, is plastic. So my complete table setting, even down to the wine goblets, those are, everything on there is paper and plastic. I was so proud of myself that I was able to do it. I gave myself a huge pat on the back. So, but it's up to you guys to tell me if you actually like it. So make sure to like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Please, guys, hit that hashtag and see all of the creative tablescapes that everyone participating in this Tablescape Sunday, called Paper and Plastic, just to see what else everyone else came up with. Also, make sure that you head to the 5 hostesses video channels. Make sure you look at their videos as well, because these ladies are just beasts when it comes to tablescaping. So again, those ladies are me, myself, and DIYing it, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, and Cynthia She's So Blessed. Make sure you visit their pages, subscribe, and hit their bells as well, so you're notified whenever they upload new videos. Until next time, you guys. Bye.